What's up guys, Express here, back with another duel video. Now this time my duel partner is Love. He was in the previous video as well. So the theme that we have chosen is a rapper, and we've chosen Tyler the Creator. I'm a big fan of his work, and we thought why not make a nice header for it. He did the first part, I did the middle part, and he did the end part. Also we have a Discord contest going on right now. If you're interested in joining this contest, of course join the Discord. And there also is a chat with hashtag submissions where you can post your submissions. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this collab or duel, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video.
Sorry to bother you. How do I wait till it's all crashing through? How do I make this up a feeling? Hey, why don't I ever see it coming? Wait, 'cause it's obvious. Was it something I said? Was it all in my head? Now I wish that I said sorry to bother you. Lock it up and throw away the key. Any vengeance I had of asking you. Sorry to bother you. Sorry to bother you. Sorry to bother you. Sorry to bother you. So psychedelic, I feel the colors and they're so chromatic. I crushed the Maserati, hey, I'm laughing. I like these thoughts when they come out to play. Oh, oh, oh. It goes inside my head and brings out someone else instead. Hey, confuse the system, reboot it, crash it all again. Hey, goes inside my head, it brings out thoughts I never kept. Hey, I can never access it, it's chemically fed. Hey, so stylistic, vintage melody that's so chromatic. Bet you never heard a song I'm laughing. I like these thoughts when they come out to play. Oh, oh, oh. It goes inside of my head. Not those thoughts you think I'm saying. It goes inside of my head.
So we're at the end of the video. So yeah, my finished version I think looks really nice with the pink text and everything. And he changed it back to orange text, which, I mean, it has a totally different vibe, but it also is really nice. I think I spent way too much time on this project. I had way too much fun as well. This is like my first really decent rapper header, and if you can't tell, Love didn't do that much, but he still did put his own spin to it. Originally he had a whole different look to it and a whole different text. I already changed the text to Igor because I thought, I mean, with his album and everything, that would have a nice touch. And then yeah, he put some couple of things in and changed the text and everything, and some camera raw filter. So yeah, he did mostly of the end process, and then I thought maybe I should do also a version of my stuff with the finished project. So yeah, you have 2 different headers. Let me know, of course, which one you like more. And if you want to see more rap headers on this channel or tutorials for rappers, let me know. And I'll see you guys next one. Peace. Don't forget to join the Discord to check out the contest.